In this video, we are going to discuss about Mains Examination General Studies 1, Indian Heritage and Culture, History and Geography of the World and Society. Indian culture will cover the salient aspects of art forms, literature and architecture from ancient to modern times. Modern Indian history from about the middle of the 18th century until the present, significant events, personalities, issues. The freedom struggle, its various stages and important contributors/contributions from different parts of the country. Post-independence consolidation and reorganization within the country. History of the world will include events from the 18th century such as Industrial Revolution, World Wars, redrawal of national boundaries, colonization, decolonization, political philosophies like communism, capitalism, socialism, etc. Their forms and effect on the society. Salient features of Indian society. Diversity of India. Role of women and women's organization. Population and associated issues. Poverty and developmental issues. Urbanization, their problems and their remedies. Effects of globalization on Indian society. Social empowerment, communalism, regionalism and secularism. Salient features of world's physical geography. Distribution of key natural resources across the world, including South Asia and the Indian subcontinent. Factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary and tertiary sector industries in various parts of the world, including India. Important geophysical phenomena such as earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic activity, cyclone, etc. Geographical features and their location changes in critical geographical features, including water bodies and ice caps, and in flora and fauna and the effects of such changes. UPSC GS1, Mains, Complete Book List 1. Indian Heritage and Culture, Essential Books. NCERT Class 11, An Introduction to Indian Art. Nitin Singhania, Indian Art and Culture. CCRT Notes, Ministry of Culture Resources, Additional Books. Tamil Nadu. Class 11, History. IGNOU Culture Material 2. Modern Indian History, Essential Books. Spectrum, A Brief. History of Modern India. NCERT Class 8, Our Pasts 3. NCERT Class 12, Themes in Indian History 3. Additional books. Bipan Chandra, India's Struggle for Independence. Bipan Chandra, India. Since Independence. Sekar Bandyopadhyay, Plassey to Partition 3. Freedom Struggle, Essential Books. Spectrum. Bipan Chandra, India's Struggle for Independence. Important topics. Congress sessions. Revolutionary movements. Tribal revolts. Peasant movements, Gandhian era. 4. Post-independence India. Essential books. Bipan Chandra, India. Since independence. Additional book. Ramachandra Guha, India after Gandhi. Selective 5. World History, Essential Books. Vision IAS World History Notes. Old NCERT World History. Additional books. Norman Lowe, Mastering Modern World History. Jain and Mathur, World History, Important Topics, American Revolution, French Revolution, Industrial Revolution, World Wars, Russian Revolution, Colonization, Decolonization, Capitalism, Socialism, Communism. 6. Indian Society Essential Books, NCERT Class 11. Sociology, NCERT Class 12 Sociology. Additional book, Vision IAS Society Notes. Important topics, diversity, population, urbanization, poverty, women, globalization, regionalism, secularism, communalism, social empowerment. 7. Physical geography, essential books, NCERT class. 11. Physical geography, G.C. Leong, Certificate Physical and Human Geography. Additional book, PMFIAS, Geography 8, Resources and Industries. Essential books, NCERT Class 12, India People and Economy. NCERT Class 12, Fundamentals of Human Geography. Additional book, PMFIAS Geography 9. Geophysical Phenomena. Essential Books. G.C. Leong. PMFIAS Geography. Current Affairs. Important Topics. Earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunami, cyclones, ocean currents, climate change, glaciers, El Niño, La Niña 10. Atlas. Oxford School. Atlas. Latest edition. Orient Black Swan. Atlas 11. Current Affairs. The Hindu/Indian Express. PIB. Yojana. Kurukshetra. Vision IAS Monthly Magazine. 12. Answer Writing. UPSC Previous Year Questions. 2013 to latest. Vision IAS Mains 365. Forum IAS Mains Workbook Recommended Reading Order 1. NCERTS 2. Spectrum 3. Neaton Singenia 4. GC Leong 5. PMFIAS Geography 6. World History Notes. 7. Sociology NCERTs 8. Current Affairs 9. Previous Year 10. Daily Answer. Writing for complete UPSC guidance from NCERTs to interview preparation. Subscribe to the channel and stay ahead.